loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not? What if I told you that the key to manifesting your dream life is falling in love? Not with like someone else, but with someone most of us forget to love. This one shift transformed my anxiety into peace, and I will show you how. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I am a manifestation coach helping people heal anxiety, elevate self worth, manifest health, wealth, relationships, and whatnot. And I could be your manifestation coach if you subscribe to my channel and watch my videos every time I post something new, because this content is about what really works inside my coaching. And when people get results, I feel fulfilled. And then I also make a video as a gratitude to the universe, figuring out everything and then putting all my knowledge in one place. So subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon button also. All right, now this video I am creating because you must know by now, as I know, that for manifestation it's important to fall in love. हेलो गाइस, सो पहले लव और मैनिफेस्टेशन का कनेक्शन क्या है ये समझ लेते हैं. बिकॉज लव इज एन इमोशन, एंड फॉर यू टू मैनिफेस्ट एनीथिंग पावरफुली, लव इज वन सच इमोशन विच keeps you in manifestation zone. Now, this is as per the research by Dr. Joe Dispenza. Love is one of the highest frequencies, because if you are in love, your manifestations work super fast. And when I coach people, and I know there are people who are deeply involved with each other, मैंने हमेशा देखा है उनकी manifestation ज़्यादा अच्छे से काम करती है, because you're vibrating at that certain frequency which is very high. और मैं अब अपने बारे में बताती हूँ. So there was a time I was with IBM and I was very successful. I was leading a huge team also, and then I had a personal life. I had a child to take care of, husband, loving husband, and office. But let me tell you, I used to feel very, very anxious inside me. I was very shallow. I mean, someone who's drowning inside but holding it out together. मतलब, अंदर से बिल्कुल आप टूटे हो, but बाहर you are just pulling yourself together. I used to be like that, and my heart always raced. I was insecure, and I was like always complaining, and I used to feel devoid of love. My symptoms were like this, and one of the things was also needed to me that हमेशा कोई validation कर दे कि मैं ठीक हूँ या नहीं हूँ, reassurance कर दे, and I would need attention all the times. Otherwise, if I'm alone, I would be terrified. तो ये वाले discomfort सारे मेरे थे. Now just imagine, if you are in this situation, या I was in that situation, तो किसी की manifestation हो सकती है? बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो सकती. देखो, आंसर तो लव ही है. एंड नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट कि किससे प्यार करें, क्योंकि कोई होना भी तो चाहिए. आर पीपल रियली वर्दी ऑफ योर लव? एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू आंसर दिस राइट अवे. सो गाइज, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू माई स्टोरी. मेरे संग ये सब होता था, और फिर एक दिन आया व्हेन आई वाज एट द लोएस्ट, the lowest of my life. I was very depressed, and I was just left out, because the job that I worked for so hard, the career and everything, so it wasn't going great. I did not get promotions because I got my second child, and the boss said, we don't need you, just spend time with your kid and all that. So I was very depressed, and I used to cry. But then, the time came and shift happened. Now, I'll tell you, only love can change someone's life. I realized that I had been looking for something in all the wrong places. What I truly craved wasn't love from others. It was a connection that I had abandoned, a relationship I never nurtured. And when I finally gave it attention, something magical happened. पहले तो मेरी anxiety खत्म हो गई, my confidence rose, and life, it began to align in the most unexpected ways. I began to attract better people, opportunities, peace, not because I chased them, but because I changed how I showed up for that one person. Want to know who that was? Let me show you exactly what I did and what you should do too. So guys, अभी तक तो आप समझ गए होंगे कि वो कौन है जिससे इतना सारा प्यार करना है. वो हो आप खुद. You are yourself. You need to love yourself so very much that you master self-love in such a way that you are alone or you are sitting sometimes with doubts. You yourself can do everything for yourself. So एक simple example देती हूँ. Like one of my team members, एक दिन she fell from the stairs and मैंने उसको पूछा कि क्या सीन था, कैसे तुम गिर गई. So she said कि मैम अंधेरा हो रहा था और stairs slippery थे, बारिश हुई थी तो मैं गिर गई. So I asked her कि अगर तुम एक छोटे बच्चे को लेके जा रही होती क्या तुम बच्चे को गिरने देती. She said नहीं नहीं, मैं तो बहुत ध्यान रखती, लाइट जलाती, बहुत केयरफुली उसको उतारती. So I said you got it. You don't love yourself enough. अपने आप को तुमने ऐसे कैसे जाने दिया. And you know, lot of us, हम लोग बहुत कुछ कर रहे होते हैं दूसरे लोगों के लिए, लेकिन जब अपनी बारी आती है तो ऐसे ही चलता फिरता काम. मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं हाउस वाइफ की बात बताती हूँ. इफ दे आर सर्विंग फूड टू अदर्स, दे विल बी केयरफुल ऑफ एवरीथिंग. लेकिन जब अपने आप को खाना देना होगा तो शायद वो एक बोल में ही सब कुछ मिक्स करके खा लेंगी. अपने लिए तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है. Same thing comes, like I see a lot of people who want to join the coaching, but they think यार क्या हम अपने पे खर्चा करें, अभी तो ये भी करना है, अभी ये फेस्टिवल आ रहा है, अभी घर के पर्दे लेने हैं. हेलो, तुम्हारी लाइफ इन सब चीज़ों से छोटी है क्या. सो सेल्फ लव लोगों में बहुत कम होता है. और मुझे बहुत लोग मिलते हैं, हम पार्लर जाते हैं, ओके हमारे में बहुत सेल्फ लव है. हेलो, दैट इज नॉट सेल्फ लव. नाउ लेट मी गिव यू द स्टेप्स that I use for self-love and which I also give in my coaching for self-love, and people do those things and improve their self-love. So number one is affirmations. Like you wake up and just affirm to something. I have my 7 signature affirmations जो कि मैं करती हूँ रोज सुबह सबसे पहले, so that you know my energy is tuned toward it. Like I'm the child of universe, I'm born to be rich, I'm born to be loved, so you can watch a full video about it. It's on my YouTube channel because ये एक डेली डोज है जो मुझे अपने आप को देनी ही देनी है. इसके बाद आता है नंबर 2 इज स्पिरिचुअल रूटीन. नाउ स्पिरिचुअल रूटीन इज पर्सनल एंड यू कैन डू व्हाटएवर यू डू. आई डू श्री यंत्रा फोकस, आई मेडिटेट, I chant Ho'oponopono, I have other mantras, I pick and choose. My short thing is that I have at least 1 to 2 to 3 sometimes spiritual routines every single day. I mean, I can't live without it. I must connect to divinity in one way or the other. Number 3 is your workout. Move your body. I mean, go for dancing or go for run, go for yoga, go to gym, whatever. And I don't miss a day, you know, I just sometimes maybe just stretch for 10 minutes if I'm very busy, or I go to gym or I go for yoga. Fourth thing is manifestation technique. This is suggested by me to everyone because I also do it. You could either journal or you could either, you know, do gratitude. कुछ तो करो, मतलब manifest your day करो. Some manifestation technique should be there, and when you are in my coaching, I am always prescribing you, okay, this week you have to do this manifestation technique and this manifestation technique. So do this because it has 2 benefits. 1, it rewires your subconscious, and then 2, you start attracting those things from the universe, which means the manifestation starts happening for you. Now number 5 is your self-care routine. Whatever is this, you must eat mindfully, you need to drink enough water, take care of yourself, you know, do all that what you need to do to take care of yourself. And most important thing is save yourself from negativity. Now what happens, there are negative people around us sometimes, or there is negative news, or there is a lot of negative stuff going on, your negative thoughts, your unhealed traumas, kuch bhi ho, internal negativity or external. Just stay safe from that, disconnect. And if you are overthinking, just cut down. There are a lot of techniques that can be followed. You can look on my channel also. And last thing I would suggest is spend some quality time with your loved ones. It is very, very important. And in your loved ones, you are also there. So spend some quality time with yourself too. Read a book. And you know, when you're going for your workout, is also that you spend time with yourself. When you do manifestation techniques, it's also like you spend time with yourself. So doing the whole manifestation ritual is also about self-love and self-care. So I hope you got the message. Love yourself. You are the only person in this whole world you must love, because if you don't love yourself, nobody will. So if you also expect love or expect manifestations from universe, you must love yourself. So guys, अगर आपने यहाँ तक वीडियो देख ही लिया है, so you have to promise me one thing. If you're feeling anxious, lonely, stuck, or if you're heartbroken, you are just being called back to you. Fall in love with yourself deeply, unapologetically, and watch the magic unfold. If you will love yourself, universe will love you too. If you like my video and it touched your heart deeply, please do leave a comment below it and like the video and share it with your friends who need this. And I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.